Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This stunning property is located in the prime residential area of St. Mary, Tower Isle. This spacious 5-bedroom, 5.5-bathroom home sits on approximately 10,000 square feet of land, with an amazing view of the ocean, wraparound balcony, double-door garage, electric gate, fruit trees, and is lined right throughout with recessed lighting. Does this get any better? It actually does. This property also has a self-contained studio on the ground floor. Sounds like income earning, right? Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $550,000, or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.